Hey everyone, this is Jim with Jeep with Jim. Thanks for joining me on Mod Saturday. We're going to try out some low profile taillights from LED Factory Mart right now. We're going to be changing out some Gladiator JT taillights. I got a 2021 Gladiator from a good friend of mine. Really appreciate him letting me borrow it. You know, he loves his taillights. He thinks they're fantastic taillights, but you know, one of the things that he's a challenge with is that these are not low profile. So what we're going to do is pop these guys off, pop these guys on, take a look at them, see how they work, take a look at the profile, and just kind of see. So here we go. I have to tell you, that was the easiest thing I've ever done on Mod Saturday. These taillights went in lickety-split. I mean, it was 2 screws, pop off an adapter and plug them in on both sides, screw them back in, and we're done. So we're going to test these out right now. LED Factory Mart, thanks for sending us these low profile taillights. We love them. They had great view, great curb appeal. I have to say, anybody's going to get these, they're going to really love them. And they're low profile, so they're fantastic for wheeling as well. So again, thanks for joining me on Jeep with Jim. Mod Saturday. See you next week.